birds?
Drink. Big Mike, give us a scouting report.
Well, you see, look at all those chickens. There's a lot of them. You know, they saw the Sitka and decided to come down south for winter. There's more coming from the heavens.
Jax, did you get stuff like this back on the Susky?
Yo.
Those ones there? Those are the ones that came out the back.
I'd like to have audio in at least one of these clips.
5, maybe 10 birds best.
I've never seen.
I don't think there's any geese in this
bald
field.
eagles in my life.
That's a lot of turkeys.
Those are turkeys. Say hi.
What up, Pooch?
What's up, Pooch? You ready to get the birds?
Oh yeah. Alex, what's going on, man?
Ducks everywhere.
Dave, look straight out here. There's 2 out there. She may be seeing them. Back.
Shoot that bird. Shoot it, Stutz.
Shoot that bird.
Woo! Don't swing and a miss.
I biffed that one.
Dave. Hit them. Wait, whoa. They got past. Y'all was about to shoot them.
Coming around back.
My end guy was still trying to get his brush back in.
Your side.
Yeah, yep. Here comes two. Wait. There you go. There's one straight out.
Emma.
There we go.
Yep, here he comes. Get ready, guys. Wait. Get the one. Wait. Get that one out there. Come on, get him, boy. Get him. He's yours.
Yeah!
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Good backup.
Out front, bunch of teal.
Kill that one. Kill that one. He's going down.
Oh yeah.
Emma.
I just sat down, let them shoot.
Do what?
I just sat down.
Me
let
too.
them
I didn't shoot it. I didn't even try on it.
All right. Dogs out front.
Dogs
Watch
out
that dog. Oh, that teal's diving.
Coming in your side, Dave. Your side, Dave.
Low ducks.
2 of them. A pair of them.
Got one.
Somebody got 2. He's too far. Back.
Outside, coming in decoys, pintail, right out front.
It's far.
That looks like a penny. Don't move, boys. Don't move.
I am.
That's pintail.
That's a Drake penny. Alrighty, everybody. So we finally have like a 5-second breather from this morning. We finally have a second to sit down to catch a breath. We had teal flying like crazy this morning. This fog rolled in, and the last 2 mornings that these guys have been in here hunting this field, they haven't had this much fog, and they've still been shooting a lot of birds, but not getting on them like we were today. Today was fantastic. All the birds were in our face, dumping right in. We had a lot of teal, a lot of spoonies coming in. I think we got 1 Drake pintail, gadwall hen, and the rest were spoonies and teal. So I think we're at somewhere around 20 birds right now. and we're ready to go for the rest of the morning. So hopefully we can get on some big ducks.
We got that 4 out of that one group on there.
Yeah, that up, and I'm like,
Blew it up.
I need to wait. Oh, I can't stand it no more. And I poofed him. Georgia snow when all that falls.
Yeah, I knew the other one. I knew y'all was gonna shoot, so I just kept watching the ones that would sit down on the water. And as soon as they lifted up, I bust.
We lined up too. Right?
Oh yeah, it's a teal. Oh, there's nothing left of that bird. Woody, baby, let's go.
I killed about 50 of them this year. Here.
About to get folded.
I'm gonna kill it. This ain't gonna kill it. Hey, here.
It ain't a teal either.
No, it's not. Here.
You might want to shoot that thing again.
Come here. Come here, Emma.
There you go.
Back.
I shot going backwards. I was like, and then I looked back. And
I thought she was
I
gone.
don't know if I lifted it.
I shot it again because it was still.
I ain't sure what that was.
I ain't either. That ain't a teal.
Oh, it's a stinking redhead.
Is it really?
No. Ringneck.
Ringneck.
When I shot it,
That's what I thought it was.
when I shot
There you go. Somebody got it.
me,
Did you do that, Dave?
I think that's a
I let
plumed out
y'all
drake.
shoot first.
I think that's a good plumed out drake.
I let y'all shoot first, and I played cleanup. Somebody hit him. Second shot hit him. Here.
That big big.
2 shots went off. I said, he's still flying.
Yep. I'm glad you shot. I hit him. I shot the second.
All right, everybody, so that is going to wrap up today's hunt. We ended with a 6-man limit, 30 birds exactly. It was a fantastic morning. We were so pumped to finally get on these birds. I don't know how much of our first 2 days I'm gonna include footage wise in the video. We worked really hard. We saw so many ducks, but we were kind of doing everything on our own. And this area where we originally started in our hunt, it has birds, but they're really not hanging out here too much. But for opening weekend here, or opening week here in Missouri, we did really well. We learned something new every day. We killed more birds every day, and we couldn't be more happy. So we ended, like I said, with the 6-man limit. We're over here cleaning up birds now. We got just about all of them done. Alex and I have been cleaning up ours, and Dave got his all cleaned up. So show you guys the look, but couldn't be more pumped for this. Show you guys a few of them here. We already lined them up on the tailgate, but got the somewhat plumed out spoony drake right here. Actually got a woody today, and the pintail, some mallards, a bunch of teal, and a bunch of spoonies. But I think we ended with, we had 1 mallard, 1 gadwall, 19 teal, a handful of spoonies, 1 wood duck, but we ended with 7 species, and it was a good mixed bag shoot this morning. So hopefully here in the near future we can get back down here to Missouri and repeat these same motions all again, and keep going from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We were super pumped to get down here. All the guys, we've been jonesing at the bit to get down here for quite a while, and finally made it happen. Got down here for opening week and put 3 days of good hunting in, and I think after the 3 days, so we had probably somewhere around right around 50 ducks in 3 days for our group of guys in total. Maybe a little bit more, a little less. 4 snows, I'd say somewhere between 50 and 60 ducks. So these last 2 nights, or last night and this morning, made the trip for us for sure. We both hunted the same pit. We just had to split up into 2 different groups because of the size of it. That's going to wrap up this episode. Thank you guys all for watching. Really appreciate all your support. Duck season's rolling in here full now. Hopefully we can grind out, make a few more videos with the guys, get back on some birds in PA, and bring some more videos for everyone. So hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment on this video, and we'll be back at the PA birds here.